so beautiful now.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's definitely awesome.
Hey. Doggo.
There, that's why I was looking for that big bracelet.
Mm-hmm.